Say hi to the people. You ladies again introduce yourself to hi to the people.
Boleh my friend to the grand.
But rent won't
Okay, yeah,
Where you introduce yourself, man?
yeah, I go for the MSA. It's a way one ship for real estate of people in the park.
Say that other name, say it properly.
SAM stands for sexy, attractive men.
Woo! Where did you get the name from? And where did you do something?
No, I got the name from my friend.
Alright. I know that you know we'll put it up in you. Okay, tell us about your game today. What's happening, bro?
Yeah, the man busy that man. Natanta is close.
What do you, bro?
Yeah, busy when I'm out to me. Yeah, so I'm going to do performance now.
The 10 peppermint don't get out.
So when people was up,
That's 10.
What music?
was up is not
Yeah, you rap?
No, I don't rap. I rap, I sing, I do everything.
You look like you do like
I do everything.
a lot of like high energy stuff like you dance. You take off your shirt when you dance. You take off your shirt when you dance. I think that's where the name comes from, right?
Yeah.
I see you got a young dollar in the building.
Yeah.
Alright, where can people get a hold of you on your social media account and what are your plans overall for the weekend? Where you performing, where you at, and what can people expect?
Yeah, you can get me on Facebook, Semi Jalo Jalo, Instagram, Semi Jalo Jalo, YouTube, Semi Jalo Jalo. Yeah, and today, before my app, then
Sexy and Luxy, that's sexy. If your name is right. So Luxy sexy is wide. Luxy sexy. So say Luxy lounge, no sexy.
okay, sure. And then tomorrow, before me go on the TV, SBS Lifestyle. The cars.
Alright, that's good, man. That's good. Right, let's go to subject. You ready?
Of course I am ready.
Yeah, the vibe. How do you get to see sexy? If you want to see sexy and Luxy lounge, right here, Pro TV, 20 there's sexy girls and sexy guys. Let's go.